Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I found another Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and look and see what we've got. I bought these. Don't ask me what for. They are little, what are they? What are the name of those? They're not called squeegees. Syringes. Just takes me a minute sometimes. So I got some little syringes. Oh, I found these, and it's totally fall. So I've been waiting for October. So here we go. We've got those little fall gnome stickers. I also picked up these burlap stickers. Some little chipboard shaped leaves with color changes. A little Santa. Picked up some tea lights because the other day I couldn't find any tea lights. I also found this. Fall is my favorite color. Isn't that pretty? And this one, a little pumpkin that says gather. They had a lot of Halloween stuff, but guess what? They also, as you already saw the Santa, they also have some Christmas out. And look how pretty that is. I don't know if you could see, there's some nice blue shine. And I always pick up at least one new bottle brush tree. And so I don't have this blue one, so I thought that would be cute. I have all other colors, pink, green. I also found this pick with a cute little squishy pumpkin. See, it's squishy. This ornament here. I have a DIY for that. This guy here. What else? Oh, so I'll show you what I was laughing at. We've got this here. I'm like, what in the heck is this? So it's this. So can you guess what's in here? They're magnets. What else? A candle holder. And these two are matching. I'll get both of them out. They are adorable. She was just putting them out, and I grabbed them. Look how cute these are. Hot cocoa served here, and two little hot cocoa mugs. So those are going to be so cute. And then finally, the last thing I got was this sign. Bless this home with love and laughter. And it's got these beautiful ribbons. But, you know, we'll make it our own for sure. So, not bad. $1.25. All right, beauties. I hope you liked it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed, feel free to click that subscribe button. And I look forward to seeing you soon. All right, have a wonderful day. Bye.